Gonna be an impressive deal seeing this thing moving. Probably would need it. Here's the moment of truth. I couldn't quite hear. How big did you say the compressor tank was in pressure?
We have 2,000-gallon tanks out there. We built up 185 pounds of pressure.
Wow.
And then we were out of air. You saw that, all that air just to do that right there.
Yeah. How big a compressor is running it? How big a compressor is charging it?
I have to get it in a bit. You know, I don't know the size. They're right over there on the wall.
Well, they had these out there where they covered up with
No, they were in a building. If you go in the back, there's some photos on the wall, and you can see the building was in. It was in a building similar to this, old steel building, and there are two of these engines side by side. They scrapped one back in 1964, and the other one they just, a family bought it and used it as storage. They just covered junk with it. The grandfather didn't really want to get rid of it because he knew it was kind of a neat, special thing, and finally the family was selling the property, and they knew if they didn't do something with it, it would have got scrapped. So they contacted our club and asked if we'd be interested. But,
roller rocker arms back then. That's incredible.
Yeah, those are, yep. Big rocker arms, yeah.
What?
That's the big cam right through there.
Yeah.
Everything on the engine is big.
Yeah.
Very nice, thank you.
What year was it that Buckley started the snow?
2008.
2008. Okay, yeah, I thought it was right around then. This is cool seeing it operating.
Yeah.
Great job.
Thank you.
After seeing it last year, there's no way I didn't think this was.
I know, yeah, there's a lot of club members going, that's really good. But yeah, we had a lot of help. A lot of club members really came
Fantastic.
forth and helped us out.
How much do you think has it been invested in this engine so far? Would you?
I don't know. We've had a couple good benefactors who donated some materials and stuff, and so it's a lot, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a good thing about a club is you have a lot of people pooling your resources to do something like this.
And then not necessarily people in the club, because the building, being named Weber.
Yeah, the Weber Foundation.
They're outside of the club, correct?
Absolutely. The Weber Foundation has donated to some great things around the state of Michigan. And he found out about a lot of it to do with our youth programs here. You know, in the fall we have a youth day and stuff.
Yeah.
And these demonstrations, and he was the Weber Foundation was pretty, happy to build this building so we could do this.
Yeah, I follow a bit of Absalon Productions, and I've been seeing some of their education videos and stuff like that, and that's cool. I play Where's Waldo with every one of their videos of the show. Oh, there's me! I've made it in a few of their videos so far. Not necessarily up front, but in the background.